Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back. I am in my closet. Once again, it's just time. Can we just take a look? It's time. In the past, I've actually done this thing where I take everything out of my closet. We're not gonna do that one again. Nope, we're not going to do that because it was traumatizing and I will never do that again. I'm really looking to get rid of like 50% of my clothes. I just really want everything gone. You know when you get to that point of your life, you're just like, you look at your closet and you're like, I don't like any of you. We're gonna keep about 50%, I'd say. You know, we're gonna get rid of a lot. So the first step that I'm gonna do is just basically take everything out that is on the ground. So I have like a box full of like stuff that I need to donate and just other stuff that has just like fallen down over time and just random stuff. So I'm gonna take everything out from just the bottom. That way I can like maneuver my way around a little bit easier. So I'm gonna do that first. Let's roll the clips. Let go.
Also, I just wanted to thank Squarespace for sponsoring today's video, and I will explain more about them later on in the video.
With this first section, and like I said, I'm really gonna be trying to get rid of stuff like 50% of my closet and just, you know, just start fresh. I think it'll be a good little change. Let's just start off here. Okay, so this first one, we're gonna get rid of this. I know it's beautiful and it's 90s, and okay, so I was gonna do this one video where I dress like my 90s self. Here's a picture of me looking 90s, looking cute, and it looks very similar to this, but I just never got around to that video. I think I'm gonna keep this guy just because I kind of want to do that video. So let me know if you guys do want to see a video like that, because then I can do that. Have to keep this, literally iconic. This definitely can go, but like, okay, no, we're gonna keep this, I'm sorry. Black long sleeve, gotta keep it. Okay, this one can go. This one I've had for a while. This guy's gonna be gone. Okay, this one is like a good one for like going out, even though, not sure when that's gonna happen again. We're gonna keep this one. I have to keep this one. Actually, yesterday was Christmas in July. I should have worn this. What the heck was I thinking? But no, we're gonna keep this guy for next year. I think I'm gonna get rid of this. This is a 100% cashmere sweater shirt situation. I think I'm gonna put this on my Poshmark. Okay, here's another long sleeve black shirt. I'm gonna get rid of this. Okay, I think I'm gonna get rid of both of these long sleeve turtlenecks because I already have this one that I really like. So we're gonna keep this one and get rid of these two. As much as I love this silky shirt, I just haven't really worn it, so I think I'm going to get rid of this. I could probably make this into a really cute tank top, like if I cut it. I think that's cute. Okay, I'm gonna try to do a DIY to this. Maybe I'll do a thrift flip coming up. I used to wear this dress like every single day last summer, but I haven't worn it at all this summer, so I think I'm gonna let this one go. It's so cute though. Okay, so this I got in Hawaii and I never wore it, so I think I'm gonna get rid of it. I don't think I have a use for it anymore. This one would be really cool if I actually did like a thrift flip to this and like made it into a two-piece. Okay, wait, actually that would be so cute. Will I ever get around to doing it? Probably not, but we can try, we can hope. This is a romper that I wore in Hawaii. I loved it so much, but I just haven't worn it this summer. And I feel like this is more of like a destination, like vacation outfit. Don't know when I'm gonna go on another vacation. So, same with this one. This is a two-piece set. I brought it to Hawaii, but I never actually wore it. And it's really cute, but I think I'm going to get rid of it. Okay, so I have two of these overall shorts, and I think I'm gonna get rid of this one. I like the way this one fits a little bit more, so I'm gonna get rid of this one. Also, this dress is so pretty, but it's just like not really my style anymore, so I am gonna get rid of this guy too. But I just love like the cut of it. I love how the buttons go all the way down. So pretty. Okay, so I have two very similar items, but I seriously wear these pretty often, and I'm just gonna keep them both because I feel like I just want to keep them both, and they are a little bit different colored, so yeah, I'm justifying it right now. This will probably always be my favorite thrifted find. I have no clue why. Every time I wear it, I just feel so happy, and it's like one of my favorites. So we're gonna keep this guy. I'm gonna keep this. I kind of can't wait till I can wear jean jackets again. Like, I love the summer, but wearing a good jacket, I kind of miss. So I'm excited to wear this. I haven't worn this one yet. So this item, actually, Madeline, my roommate, got this for me for my birthday. How freaking cute is it? It's like little Mickey, and his ears are actually like puffy, which is really cool. And yeah, this is like a beach outfit. Oh, and then look at the back. So cool. This I think I will get rid of just because, I don't know, I don't love it on me, but it is Ralph Lauren little cardigan. I really like this top. I wear it all the time, and I actually like cropped it. So that's a little hack. I mean, obviously you guys know about cropping, but it really does like make an item sometimes elevated, you know? Because before it was like probably like this long and I just never really wore it. But once I cropped it, I wore it all the time. So, you know, just a little PSA. You might want to crop some stuff. This is also one of my favorite thrifted pieces. It's my Mighty Ducks shirts. This is from 1994. And here's another shirt that I cropped that I feel like just makes it look so much cuter. And yeah, I'm gonna keep this. I just thrifted this not too long ago. Okay, these next two pieces, I think I'm gonna get rid of both of them. I just feel like pink is not my color. Like bright pink is not my colors. I tried to wear this several times. I just didn't like it. Gotta keep the boob shirts. It's been a proven fact. Probably like 5 different people have tried this on and it will dramatically change your boob size. So we have to keep this just for certain occasions when it's needed. Okay, next up we have this green cardigan, and let me just try it on really quick. I don't even know if it fits. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is not, it's kind of small. So we're gonna get rid of this guy. Okay, so now we're moving on to the last section of my closet, and this is all of my t-shirts as well as like my jackets and sweatshirts. This is probably my favorite section out of my closet. I just love t-shirts and crew necks. So this might be a hard one to get through, but we're gonna do it. This Harley Davidson shirt I'm going to keep. My uncle actually gave this to me. Another one of my favorite shirts ever is my Olympics shirt. Gotta keep that one. Okay, next up we have this Chippendale shirt. I haven't actually gotten the chance to wear this, and I wanted to wear this to Disneyland, so I think I'm gonna keep this one until I at least wear it like once or twice. Then we have the Rockford Peaches. It's where I grew up. No, I'm gonna keep this. Gotta keep that. Okay, here's another one that maybe I could get rid of this one actually. This is a Disney shirt. It just says the great outdoors, or outdoor life, sorry. And it's super cute. So I'm actually gonna get rid of this one, I think. This is my Hawaii shirt. I think I'm going to get rid of this guy. Here's a really cool vintage t-shirt that I thrifted. It's from 1993. It's so cool, but I'm going to get rid of that. I think I'm gonna keep this. It's my Mickey shirt, one of my favorites. I think I'm going to get rid of this as well. It's so cool, but I just never pick it up. I just feel like pink is not my color, so I'm gonna let that one go. Okay, speaking of pink, I think it's time to let this one go as well, even though this was at the time like one of my favorite thrifted pieces. It's just a Harley Davidson top and I cropped it. Okay, I think this guy has to go as well. Another little Mickey top. Okay, this guy I'm going to get rid of. I just don't like this color really on me. Okay, I cannot part with this guy yet. This is one of my favorite thrifted crew necks. Another favorite crew neck of mine is this Mickey one. Here's another Mickey one that I actually just got at Disneyland, and my mom has a matching one, so I gotta keep this one. Here's another one of my favorite thrifted tops. Maybe I should get rid of this one, but it's so comfortable. I think I'm gonna keep it for now. Guys, this is so hard to get rid of crew necks. I have to keep this one. This is also a favorite thrifted piece of mine. I love this so much. It's like a jean jacket, but then it has like this maroon color on the sleeves. I gotta keep this one. Another favorite of mine. I have a lot of favorites, but this is a vintage Calvin Klein jean jacket shirt thing, and I wear this all the time. Gotta keep this one. Okay, this one I just thrifted it, but I kind of want to get rid of it already. It's like this dark green colored one. I should probably just keep it until fall time. This one I actually just thrifted, and it was in my last thrift haul. I think this is so freaking comfortable. It's the Titans. I have no, connection to the Titans. I just love this sweatshirt so much. It's something about like the Lee brand sweatshirts that I just love because, oh yeah, this one is also Lee. They're just so freaking comfortable. Like, I have to keep them. Another favorite of mine, Disney. I have to keep this. This one I can probably get rid of. This is a Ralph Lauren blazer. Super cute, but I never wear it. I went through a blazer phase, but I'm just not a blazer girl. Like, I don't know. So I think I will get rid of this one as well. And then this guy I can get rid of. Just a nice oversized sweater. This is one of my favorite puffer jackets, so I'm gonna keep that. I'll just keep those two because winter is coming up at some point. We will keep that.
I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust.
Okay, so I just wanted to give you guys a little progress shot of what is happening. So the closet is looking really good so far. I do need to go through that stuff up there, But that is pretty much organized, and then this is what we are looking like out here. It's kind of crazy. Over here, I'm just going through more clothes. This is stuff that I'm going to be posting on my Poshmark. And then I also have this right here that I'm also posting on Poshmark. So I have quite the work cut out for me. I will check back with you guys probably tomorrow, maybe tonight. We will see what I can get done. Okay, so it's the next day and I have some updates. I'm basically done, but I just want to show you guys everything that I'm gonna be getting rid of. Also, if you guys can spot a little friend right here, my roommate and I just started fostering 3 little kittens. So this is Lily. Hey, look! And then we have, okay, we don't exactly have a name for him yet. We call him Gray Boy. I also call him Bandit. A name hasn't really stuck yet. So we actually have 3 of them. The other one is sleeping in the other room, but I just wanted to introduce you guys to our little foster babies. Look how cute. Hey, is he camera shy? Look. Look. Oh, he's so cute. So yeah, they're just hanging out with me. They love playing with this chain right here. They're so freaking cute. So this is everything that I'm going to be putting on Poshmark. This is gonna take me a few days to actually post everything, so just bear with me. Hopefully by the time this video goes up, I'll have like a partial amount on Poshmark, but yeah, definitely check that out. And then this is everything I'm going to be donating, so I have to probably find another box to put the rest in because it's like really tall. That's basically what's going on out here. So this is everything that I just have to like deal with, you know? So we will go into my closet. So this is what the finished closet looks like. I am very happy with it. I can finally see the ground, which is awesome. I have some of my tank tops right up here, then a few longer coats, which maybe I should put down there, but like, it's fine. And we have some long sleeves, we have some dresses, some skirts up here. Then over here we have some pajama pants, some sweatpants, some pajama tops. I don't know why this is here. We're gonna let the cats play with this. Do you wanna play with this? Here you go. Are you interested? No, okay. Then we have my workout clothes, and then we have underwear, socks. Dang, I have way too many socks. Why do I have this many? I don't know. And we have bras. Then right here we have pants. Oh, they are playing with it. You guys like that? It's a nice little toy for you. I promise you guys, we actually have regular toys for them, but usually they like random stuff that we give them better than their actual toys. Then we have swimsuits, we have bike shorts, pants. This is just a hat and purse little box. And then this is just random stuff. And then we have my shoes down here, which are, I mean, they could look better, but you know. So that's it for this video, and once again, I wanted to thank Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. Squarespace is the all-in-one platform to build a beautiful online presence and run your business. They have pre-built website templates that make it easy to start your online business, blog, or online store.
Squarespace has the tools you need to get your business off the ground. Whatever you're selling online, Squarespace has merchandising features to make your products look their best.
So head to squarespace.com to start your free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/leahpripps to save 10% off of your website or domain. Okay, so now I have to go deal with all these Poshmark orders, so I'm gonna go, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Say bye! You guys hear her purring? Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Okay, bye.
Let her know, I gotta let her know that she my white horse, she my medical. She like my baby mama, know how to take care of me. Give my baby problems, you gon' regret everything. So I let her know